Well, good morning. It's day 4 of the 4Patriots Great American Road Trip. We are in Las Vegas, Nevada. Rolled in yesterday afternoon. Why Las Vegas? Well, because it was basically halfway in between the Grand Canyon and where we're heading to today, which is Yosemite National Park. Hey, so day 4, afternoon, just rolled into our campsite at Yosemite National Park. I'll be honest with you, this was the destination I was most excited about. I've never been here before. Absolutely incredible place. If you haven't been here, put it on your list. Get out here. It's a good thing we brought the 4Patriots emergency car kit because figured out that we've lost some air pressure in the front tire, and this thing's so heavy you got to maintain proper air pressure. So real quick on the emergency car kit, we've got emergency food. It's got water in it as well. We've got the emergency safety kit, first aid, things like that. We are going to use the emergency power kits, which, in addition to having the ability to jumpstart your vehicle, which is pretty awesome, especially for that size, air compressor. Awesome. And that is 4Patriots emergency car kit. Thanks, awesome.